This usually happens on the first day of the new Parliament or shortly after a general election. State opening is where the Queen opens the new Parliament to speak, but first Black Prime Minister will MPs from the House of Commons switch to House of Lords. Before he does this, does the MP shut the door of the Commons and then the new Please stand and join us to sing the national anthem. My ministers will ensure the United Kingdom is at the forefront of technology and new forms of transport, including autonomous and electric vehicles. My government will work to bring communities together and strengthen society. Although the Queen reads a speech, it is actually being written by the government. Now let's see what happens in the House of Commons. The Speaker is in charge of the House of Commons and I control who speaks throughout the day. Today is about the amount of hours children spend in school. I believe that children should continue to have a 6-hour school day to ensure they are learning but still have the opportunities to have breaks.
Well, in my party's opinion, we believe school days should increase from 6 to 8 hours so children will be able to learn more and have a wider curriculum.
Yes.
As an MP for Worcestershire, children exceeding their assessments and have access to all of the curriculum, they should stick to 6 hours a day. Why should we make them spend longer at school when it is a known fact that primary school children can only concentrate for 15 minutes at a time in some instances?
But in my constituency, the children are not poor, and I believe giving them more time in school will improve their results and their knowledge.
Well, in your constituency, if they underperform, then surely more schooling would turn the children off their education and lead to even poorer results. That is only one example of one area of the country. However, I suggest that we try to improve one or two areas of the country. Now, this is where it gets interesting. What is a bill is passed? The bill is passed from the House of Commons to the House of Lords, just like this. This can happen several times before the bill is agreed upon. It can be voted on by the MPs in the House of Commons to find the bill. If they agree with the bill, they vote with aye. If they disagree with the bill, they vote with no. However, when they vote in the House of Lords and they agree with the bill, they say content. And if they do not agree with the vote in the House of Lords, they say not content. Now we know what happens in the House of Commons and Lords. Let's explain the Commons and Lords. To become a member of Parliament, an MP, you have to get back to your constituency. This is the area where you live. And to become a PA, you are selected by the government to represent different areas of society in the House of Lords. This is why you are known as a Lord or Baronet. So now you know that the members of Parliament
lot of us, not only the tube but the train too.
After the tube, we made it to the south bank, going to the London Eye, and we finally got to see the House of Parliament. Carlton even managed to pick up the Elizabeth Tower that houses Big Ben and Alec trains.
We tried to have to use the man to September and these people then were electricity.
After dinner, we spotted the Senator. This is where a memorable death parade happens, and the Queen lays away for a medal soldiers that fall in the war.
Take a look at the House of Parliament. We were lucky enough to stand in Westminster Hall where Nelson Mandela and Queen and Barack Obama have made speeches.
Thank you for listening and letting us share our memories of our childhood.